Wait a second, let me show you now. Join a girl in a funky pose. She's inspired by the 1960s, and I call her Polly. Adding some colors, a little bit of share, but got a lot. Whose mistake I made? Come take a look, yeah, get around. Watching this joint really come alive. Change your hair, give it some flair. Use my tools, added some colors. Little here, ooh, a little there. I just added some colors you may not see, but here's the deal. I follow penetration tutorial, and the girl with his dream. From a rough sketch on a paper to a digital finish piece. That's what the progress is all about, even if it takes over 3 days. That's what the progress is all about.